If you work on the machine, always make sure that you wear protective glasses and gloves. First of all, we insert the knife. Accept the insertion on the screen. Now we fill in the resin. Make sure you shake the bottle well before filling the resin into the reservoir. Fill up 2/3 of the reservoir. Insert the reservoir into the machine. Now scan the RFID of the bottle to register the material. Insert the metal part of the tube and then position the resin bottle on the holder in the machine. Read the message on the screen carefully and accept it. Now select your print job. Once selected, the machine is ready for printing. Please close the hood to start the print job. To open the hood, you can always use the foot switch as shown in the video.